Hi, it's David here at Elite Audio with another one of our fantastic, possibly unboxing videos. To the side of me here today, as Grant pans down with the camera, you'll see we've got another pair of audio Physic speakers, and he's going to zoom in and I'm going to try and get the model name right. It should be Classic 15s, Grant, am I right?
A lucky guess.
Great, because the last unboxing video I did, it was the wrong colour. Now, we've got, I always comment on the weather here, and it's great today if you have a look outside. It's really nice, which does mean it's pretty hot in here. In fact, as Grant goes round, you may be able to see the tour bus outside there. Now, as much as Mark would want you to believe that that's his groupies turning up, he's lifting the lid fans, it's not, it's actually Di Gilpin round the back who owns the knitting company that supplies people a range of wools and things like that. She gets tours in and it's actually really popular, so shout out to them, and sadly not our lifting the lid fans. So Audio Physic Classic 15s here today. I'm going to unbox these now. There's a specific reason that I've chosen just the one box, and I'm going to unbox these particular speakers. And that's because Audio Physic are one of the few manufacturers that we deal with that allows something special to happen for people, and people being us as a distributor, retailer, and you folks at home as the customers, to get something special and at a bargain price. They offer a graded list, so we can look at that list and we can choose from that list any speaker that we want that's on it, and it has a grading system of A+, A-, B. So you might have heard of B stock, well, that's exactly where this comes from, and a lot of the time it's very difficult to actually see what makes a speaker A+ or A-. In the case of A stock, A-, A+, it may be that they've been opened and used for display purposes, or they might have gone out to another retailer, distributor, sent back to factory, boxed up again. So it's a chance to grab a real bargain. And I'm going to just show you how almost you can't tell in a lot of cases when we open these up. So, Stanley knife here. Now again, Audio Physic packaging is absolutely fantastic, as we know, but on the side there, Grant will be able to come round and you'll see that they recommend, there's a yellow sticker there, shipping everything on a pallet. And to be honest with you, just to put you folks at home's mind at rest, that's pretty much the way that all speakers we ship nowadays go. It means that the risk of damage is greatly reduced. Last time I unboxed a pair of Avantis, I demonstrated the unpacking procedure. I'll do that again. It's quite simple. You can do this on your own, normally. Tip the speaker up like that, make sure it doesn't come out. Use your foot to just get that flat down. You're halfway there. Now, it's better if you can put the terminals and the bottom of the speaker facing up the way towards the ceiling. Now you can see the terminals here, so it's got a red piece of tape over it. There's a reason for that and you'll see why in a minute. So a little bit more about Audio Physic. They are based in Wien in Germany. Been producing loudspeakers for many years. The sound of Audio Physic, as I've said before, they offer a bit of something for everyone, but more often than not, where I place a customer with Audio Physic is when they're looking for a speaker that gives the sort of hi-fi magic trick of disappearing, you know, impressing your friends with all this sort of hi-fi trickery of soundstage and imaging, but also they don't just want that, they want a bit of emotion and sweetness in the top end, and that's what these speakers do. They're absolutely phenomenal. So you can see now I've got that out, I'll just walk it back. I can then take this top piece of foam off, the box, take the plastic down, take off the protective film, and now you can see now there's the terminals, that's the red piece of card. We'll come on to that in a second. And then simply, now this is carpet, if you've got concrete floor or something rough on the floor, please put something down before you scrape the bottom of your new speaker. You put that like that, and then it becomes really quite simple to lift it up like that. Top off, bag off, cloth protector, and you're done. It's as simple as that. So a little bit more about these Classic 15s. They have glass fibre drivers. They're a 2.5 way design. So they're 2.5 way because they've got a standard tweeter for the top end. They've got mid-range bass there, and then they've got another woofer that's employed up to about 500 Hz. So that's where the 2.5 way design comes from. They are a sandwich cabinet design, so it takes that sandwich technology that Audiophysic have, and that's where there's a wood substrate underneath this glass finish you can see there. And this is actually glass. If Grant comes in, you see that. Now what that does, it makes the cabinet very, very stiff, stops unwanted resonances, and not only does it look good, it sounds great as well. And on these ones, it's a downward firing port into here. You can't see it, but it's under there. Now, what I'd ask Grant to do is just do a quick sort of 360 of the speaker whilst I move the box out of the way. Unfortunately, a few folks I'm going to keep talking in the background. Reason being, this is an A- pair of speakers, so someone will be able to pick these up from our eBay store, maybe even later today, at a very attractive price. But yeah, you've seen the quality of the packing. They don't turn up in damaged boxes with, you know, stickers all over them, having been halfway around the world. The product itself is expertly packed as if it's come from the factory to, you know, a loving new owner with the same love, care and attention as any other Audiophysic product. And you can see visually, you'd be hard pushed to find what makes them A-. There will be something on them when you get to an A- speaker that is counted as a flaw, but I think for the vast majority of people that are looking for that little extra bit off their next very special speaker, I think it's a no-brainer. So hopefully that's been fun and useful. That's the Audiophysic Classic 15. Thanks for watching. Any questions that you've got on Audiophysic, speakers in general, A- stock, what constitutes it, please drop me an email. My details will come up round about here. Grant will do that with his trickery on his computer, and I hope that we'll get the chance to entertain you soon. Thanks a lot.